Hey there, welcome to the overview video of my ongoing project, Plural. Plural is an open source application that I'm currently developing to help communities organize mutual aid efforts amongst their members and, ultimately, to normalize the acts of asking for and receiving help. In this video, I'll outline some of the existing features in the application and give a clearer picture of just how Plural will work. This is the sign-in page. Here, users can either log in or create a new account. To create a new account, you'll need your first name, last name, email address, a unique username, and a password. Once you click sign up, a verification link will be sent to the email you provided. For this video, I'll log in using an existing account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the landing page. From here, you can adjust your settings or go to any of the gardens that you're currently a member of. Now, garden is a new term, so let me click on this one here, and I'll explain everything. In Plural, a garden refers to a collection of users. You can think of it as a group chat, except instead of sending messages, users can create posts asking for help, as well as send money to sponsor the posts of others. These posts are referred to as asks, and they all show up here in the timeline. What you see right now is one such ask that's already been created by another user. However, before we look at that, let's create an ask of our own. When creating an ask, you'll need to set the following values: the deadline date, that is, the date by which you need the funds, the target sum, how much you need, then there's the boon, which is explained here in the tooltip as the smallest ideal donation amount. The boon essentially tells other users how much a minimum ideal donation amount would be for you. Users can of course donate more or less than this value. Next is the currency you're expecting for the target sum and boon. Then, in the description, you describe what you need the funds for. You can be as vague or as specific as you want. There's no requirements. Lastly, the instructions. In this field, you explain to others how they can send funds to you. Now, I want to emphasize a key distinction between Plural and other crowdfunding platforms, which is that Plural does not have any inbuilt integration with financial services such as PayPal or Cash App. The application is simply a place to ask for help and to help sponsor the asks of others. Once you've finished filling in all the fields, you can click down here to create the ask. And now the ask appears in the timeline. If we click on this button with the pencil, we can see the details of our ask and make changes as required. Say we received enough funds to reach our target sum, then we can mark the ask as target met. Or if we want to delete the ask, we can do so down here. Now, let's look at the ask created by that other user. In this window, you'll see we have the target sum, the description, the boon, and the instructions of the ask, as well as the user who created it. And up here, if, say, we send some money to the user, as per their instructions, then we can click on this toggle to mark the ask as having been sponsored by ourselves. And now, when we look in the timeline, we'll see this little check mark at the bottom of the ask, letting us know that we sponsored it. And that is a brief overview of Plural. Just to reiterate, Plural is an open source application I'm currently developing and hope to launch as soon as I can, ideally in a year or two. It will be completely free, and if all goes well, will be available on the web as a desktop application and as a mobile application too. Alright then, that's everything I have to share for now. Thank you so much for watching.